Isa siyang wing spiker. Jodel Nitura. Susubok ulit. Down the line. Nandoon yung depensa ni Escobar. Free ball para sa Letran. Sa kabila, Panangin, soft touch. Wahe sends it to Angge Poyos, who scores the first point for the in favor of UST. And you were talking about yung continuity ng programa nila, no? Itong UST na galing sa juniors ranks, yung transition going to that snappy hit.
Good attack. And of course, one of the good decisions of Letran was actually to get Coach Alexi. See it from then on, the time that he was really evident with the program of Letran.
Nag-participate pa sila sa National Invitationals, finished third in the Batangas leg. Mga nakalaban nila, UAP Benilde, and also University of Batangas. Avril Bron, tuloy-tuloy. Basically, it means you're on a roll.
Oh, okay. Sorry na.
And Verga, sinet up si Jodel Nitura. Rejected.
Thea in front. That's just a lot of trouble if you're the spiker.
Altea cross court. Nice set by Wahe. Nandoon yung depensa ni Enverga. Nitura was denied.
That Banagua and Altea combo. Once again, sobrang tagal talaga na hindi natin. NU Lady Bullpups.
Saan naglaro na rin siya 1 year with the senior?
The Wall of España.
An ace season. But what do you make of how they won the championship? Breaking that drought, 27 years. Back 3 points. Ayan, si Colendra, isa sa naging susi sa kanilang pagkuha ng championship.
Well, definitely it's not. And then you place her on the right pin. So, mahirap talaga for the opener, which is usually the percentage attack.
UST.
Di naman nalatang na-miss talaga ni Banagua, no?
Kaya nga eh. Para sa Letran. Papaluin ni Poyos. Pasok yan para kay Angge.
Good.
That Smart Power Up Play brought to you by the new Smart Power On 109. Load now.
And that's what we were talking about earlier.
Service ace from Angge Poyos. After that hit.
And Poyos on a roll.
Yung coach nila kung Avril o Avril. Avril daw talaga eh.
Avril daw talaga. Pasensya na.
Parang ikaw, tinanong.
King of UST, sila din ang nanalo sa juniors division.
No. Tama. Pag-usapan natin na kapag ang magagad ng ace.
And much needed ace.
Balingit. Good serve. Uy, yun lang. It's an ace.
The second set brings us
25-20.
and Bron with 4 as well. Alam mo, minsan ka lang talaga makakakita ng middle na both aggressive in terms of blocking. And that if you're a middle blocker, yung trabaho mo talaga ay mag-block lang.
Not Tizon targeting.
Oh.
Bakit?
Oo. Hindi. Inaanlo ko lang, dinidiinan ko para sigurado ko sigurado talaga yung sagot ko.
Wahe, reverse set to Ashley Nop. The southpaw spike from the Kapam.
And makikita mo talagang she's above the blockers of Letran. And I think hindi napapagod.
Oo, walang kapahi-pahinga. Return to sender.
Avril Bron, ang idol ng aking kaibigan na si Juan Barbo.
Papaluin ni Altea. Pasok yan para sa kanya.
Good of Letran ay nahuli. Tingnan mo, 1 block na lang natira.
The girls from España. Avril Bron, naiangat ang bola. Ashley Nop soars and scores.
Nahihirap because the ball is well distributed for the side of UST.
Sets up Marga Altea off the hands. Buhay pa. Nice save by Enverga and Tizon. Itatawid ni Panangin. Ashley Nop, susubok ulit. Walang kaproblema.
Poyos on the floor now. And UST is still doing a good job. Sino po?
Wala.
Sorry, next page.
Ashley Nop off the block. No.
Of course.
Yes.
Okay. But ito si Nop, she's really aggressive.
Ashley Nop, walang makapigil sa kanya kanina pa.
Kitang-kita mo talaga na sure siyang makakapuntos talaga siya.
8-6 na ang ating talaan. We have our second tech. Pinalo at naipasok ni Gutierrez.
Ready converts for a point. And ito nga, malalim talaga ang bench ng UST.
7-10. Gutierrez. Coverage present from Escobar. Ashley Nop is unstoppable.
I lost track of counting the points kasi ang dami niya ng points ngayon this second set.
Arlene Wahe running attack from Bianca Plaza is good.
End line. Medyo nakasiksik ang depensa ng Letran on that left side.
Wahe bumps it up to Kim Rubin. Ashley Nop. That time turned back. Rubin. Buhay pa. Good save from Panangin. Yen Martin. Tap inside by Avril Bron.
In at the back of the blockers. And nakikita mo sa both teams, pag nakakasip yan.
Ashley Nop. Ball still in play. Kim Rubin, cross-court hit.
I remember when in the juniors leg,
Kasama na si Vanessa Sari. Avril Bron detonates.
lang yan. Si Nop or si Bron ang gagawa sa sequence na to.
Take your pick, 16-11.
Here for UST. Make that 6 points.
Yeah.
First in this league. Alam, hindi mo mararamdaman yung transition ni Kim Rubin from high lot of games.
Hasang-hasa na.
Oo.
Back-to-back aces. Huni.
Umupo na si Coach Alexi.
Ganda ng palo ni Colendra. Muntik pang mabuhay. Oh, eto.
Grabe, Colendra. I don't know what word sums her up.
Uy, pwede pa. Good serve from Ashley Nop. Plaza getting her hands in there. Oh, another point. For, huwag lang kayo, sama niyo
Kayo
ko.
sama niyo ko.
Colendra sa kanan. That Smart Powered Up play is brought to you by the new Smart Power All.
To see here kung anong gagawin nila sa third set. Ron with 8 points. Followed by Poyos with 6. And Nop with 5. 4 points each for Gutierrez, Altea, and Balingit.
Ashley Nop.
Kaya natutuwa ko sa mga reaksyon niya pag nag-aano siya. Yung features ng mukha niya.
Tizon, bumawi. Pero buhay pambola. Erica Gutierrez. That clips the line.
With each other. Against each other, rather.
That's in. Service ace from Kim Rubin.
Points from the last set. Make that 4 now.
Subs gagawa. Alam mo yung mga ibang veterano.
Present
din.
nga si Poyos
Oo.
palagi.
Block from MM Managua.
Grabe yung reach, no?
Yeah.
Pag nakikita mo yung replay, Nop. We hope that she's okay.
Quick attack from Embanagua.
But Embanagua just showing up.
Lina Lucenio. Sa gitna, Huino. Denied by Wahe. Plaza. Uy, nagkabanggaan si Huino at si Panangin. Yun nga nakalusob lahat eh. Buhay pa. Wahe bumps it up to Kim Rubin. Napayungan pero buhay pa din. Letran, the reload. Judel Nitura puts it away.
Yeah. Plaza wasn't able, or Banag
13-8. Kakatuwang story talaga eh. Pag binabalik-balikan ko yung kwento nito ni Arlene Wahe who gets a service ace. Panangin. Diving in. Escobar. Good pass by Escobar. Quick play. Wahe connects with Banagua.
to go to the middle when everything was going well with the open and opposite.
Notch their third win against Letran. Uy! Julia Balingit.
No problem for Julia Balingit. You could see that she really read that.
Good service from Managua. Napayungan ni Erica Gutierrez.
Silvestre also came from the juniors
Sa
division ng UST.
Ay, UST.
Teammate sila ni Kim Rubin nung di ba?
Right,
Championship.
You're right. Palo ni Merwa. Oh, Plaza will finish things off